Oakley dokley, as Surrey wanted to see, this is a Forstner's bit. It's a big spade bit type thing, but it's evolved and much, much cooler. Alright, so let's get this thing mounted up here. And I find get that far enough out so it's got enough room to hold with its friction fit. It's really nice if you have the blade set up very vertical. Now I'm going to make sure this is lined up straight. Tighten it down hard. Get my safety gear on. Let's do the thing. Alright, now let's just take this thing out for a minute. Because you can see it's clogging up and it's hot. So it's time to let it cool down and get some crap off it. Then come back for another run. But as you can see, this is looking pretty good in there, although there's a whole pile of dust. Looks like we're about halfway through. Alrighty, I'll come back later.